Look at the horses. So we're just going to the same restaurant we went to the other day, I think. Gonna get some sandwiches. Go get help. So let's go. Morning. What to have, what to have. We're in the same restaurant we were in the other day. It's the one with the map over there. I'm actually going to show you something in a minute that my dad did wrong. He pointed to the wrong place for a country. I'll show you in a sec. I'm getting the scrambled egg mushroom feta sandwich and water. Water from a can over there. Right, so this is the mistake my dad made. He said Portugal was here. It's not there, it's here. But he was saying it's here. It's not, it's there. Also, we said we're going to go to India. We're not sure if we're going to India anymore. We might just go straight back to Thailand. So there's been some change of plans on our holiday. God, I hate music in the background. Shut up, music. Shut the hell up. Food. Dumb. Going back to the room now. So we've been in the room for a bit and now me and my dad have just come down to the beach to play some frisbee. We're gonna play some frisbee on the beach for a bit. Too windy and too hot. Too windy and guys, so as I sort of mentioned earlier about the Thailand-India thing, I just want to confirm that we're probably not going to be going to India anymore and we're just going from here straight back to Thailand, Koh Phangan, where we live. So we're here for, I think, till halfway through next week or somewhere around that. So we've got the weekend and then the week and then probably going back. It's just what I wanted to mention about that because sort of a bit of change of plans going on. Alright guys, so I haven't really done a lot today. Just been chilling around, been lounging around in the room because there's not exactly a lot to do here. It's more of like a holiday for couples place, like honeymoons and that people come here for. So there's not that much for me to do, so that is a bit annoying. The only thing to do really is surfing, and it's just so hot. I've been sunburned, so I didn't really want to get in the sun so much more. It has to be good waves, like smaller waves for me, because I'm not very experienced, so I can't exactly do big waves, which is a lot here. So yeah, sorry for the short vlog today. I'm not finishing yet though. We're gonna go out for some food with some friends, I believe. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll probably see you at the restaurant. Hello.
Kaka. Kaka.
Amazing. Food. It was good. I had pizza, and so did everyone else, including this crazy girl. Oh my god, you look black. You look so dark.
It's because it's night, there's no light, and you're filming.
So we're just at the restaurant now, had some food, and pizza was good. I had pizza, everyone had pizza. It's sort of pizza Italian restaurant, but yeah. Oh, here comes the rain. Probably can't see anything, but it's just started to rain. Great. Why does the low light have to be so bad on this camera? Anyway, yeah, so had food. Probably gonna go home soon. Do a better pose. A better pose. Toilet photo. Turn around. Another pose. Crazy. Raining. We're stuck here because of the rain. We're on bikes, so we can't leave until the rain finishes. Push her out. Bring her out, Ken. Yeah, so we stuck here until the rain stopped. 20 minutes later, still pouring. Like, how are we gonna get home, Heidi?
If I make the rain stop, then probably we go home too.
She can control the rain apparently, but it doesn't seem to be working, does it? Because we're sort of stuck here. Rain's still stopping, so we're gonna have to go in the rain. Great. You know, so I can hardly film anything while I had to drive back in the rain.